Hello, everyone. It's your boy, Mr. E. Trip 'em Up Tuesday. Got some charts to look at today. If you like what you see, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe. Starting it off on the SPX, we have a red candle today. Pretty big lower wick, but we closed above this descending trend line. That's a good sign for the bulls. Still eyeing this 4198, call it 4200 level to negate the potential head and shoulders pattern. Bulls still cruising to the upside. We'll see if this momentum can continue and if our bull flag extends the full length of the pole. However, on the 4-hour time frame, we're on the SPX here, we do have a bit of a rising wedge accompanied with some bearish divergence. Frequently, these will lead to pullbacks. It's kind of hard to say how deep or how long, but statistically speaking, it is quite likely. So we'll see how that plays out for this to happen. It will probably happen within the next couple days. We'll get a break of these, either one of these trend lines, the above or the lower. It looks like the RSI is trying to break this descending trend line right here on the 4-hour. So we'll see which one breaks first. DXI, this chart is definitely on the radar now. Going to be keeping an eye on this one. Came down a little bit today. We'll see if we can break this double bottom pattern and continue down. If we do, that would be bullish for the stocks and all other markets in general, crypto, stocks, risk markets. Bitcoin dominance popped back up a little bit yesterday, gaining a little ground on the market and the altcoins. We did have a bit of a green candle yesterday for the total market cap. So some energy coming back into the market, some buyers coming back in. This is good to see on the total market cap. RSI is making higher highs on the daily chart here. If you look at ETH and Bitcoin is actually diverging a little bit. So it's good to see this. This shows just overall strength in the total crypto market cap. We'll see if this can continue, see if the RSI can get above this 73 level and our bull rally continues. Bitcoin, we got the Bollinger Bands on the monthly chart here. We're still coming up to this 20 period simple moving average, as that is the basis of the Bollinger Band. Getting a little resistance there. You can see it would be good to hold this as support, as this has led to the next phase of the bull market the past two cycles. You can see when we get above this over here and we really start running, just get above this 20 level. Pretty much held it all of this cycle except for the little CVID dump right here, but bounced back relatively quickly. So that's one level to keep an eye on, see if we can get above this. On the monthly chart, stochastics, can run through these real quick. Weekly is still tapped out at the 100 level. 2 week is up. 3 week is open back up. Monthly is still up. 5 day actually open back up. That's interesting. 3 day kind of open back up. 2 days still down. And the daily is down. So a little down pressure coming in, but the higher time frames are still running the show. Bulls are still winning the battle on the higher time frames. Ethereum still fighting this 2153 level, call it 2150. This would be a big area to get over. Confirm this as support would be a big win for the bulls. Still have our divergence on the RSI. Bit of a tick up today, but we'll see what we can do with this. Potential little bull flag here. We'll see how this plays out. Bitcoin on the 4-hour, we do have our ascending channel. It's good just to check in on this every once in a while, just to remind us of the trend we are in. It is an uptrend since November 2022. This is the general direction of the market, and until proven otherwise, we are in an uptrend. You can see yesterday we pretty much came down to test this level, exactly textbook example of a resistance turned to support, and some buyers stepped in rather aggressively and brought the price right back up to where it was. So that's good to see for the bulls. A lot of buyers coming in to buy at these lower levels. We'll see if this bullish momentum continues. Chainlink, I showed this yesterday. We're still in our uptrend, fighting this resistance zone, this 8.89, call it $9. $9 psychological. Be good to get above that. MACD on the weekly starting to break through this zero line. Also some bullish momentum coming in. Our histogram is starting to grow. So the Chainlink bulls are stepping in. We'll see if they continue. Again, this will just follow the Bitcoin and the crypto in general. And the SPX is essentially running the show. Cardano, take another look at this. We are on the weekly chart here. Pretty good flip of this zone here. You can see this 40-cent level, 40-cent zone. A lot of support here. Broke through, retest, came down, retest, rejected, and then we got through it. We recently retested it. Bulls would really like to see this level hold as support and continue up. So again, this will most likely follow the Bitcoin and the crypto markets in general, but just another one to keep an eye on. RSI is making higher highs and higher lows. I got a fib extension tool on here from this swing here. Swing low, swing high, swing low. It's just measured out over here, so it's a little easier to see. Some targets on here. 76 at the 11618. And a couple other targets if we make it up there. So that's a quick rundown for today. Hope everybody's wonderful. Trip them up, turn them around Tuesday. Weird, wacky, wild Wednesday coming up. Have a great night. Thanks for tuning in. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. See you tomorrow.